Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to connect Linksys Wi-Fi extender to a router. So the first step is to simply plug the Linksys range extender into a power outlet. Now using a computer or a mobile device, connect your device to the Linksys range extender's default Wi-Fi name. Now in your computer or mobile device, open a browser and enter this or this address here, and then simply press enter. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply select here start setup, and after that you're gonna have to select as a wireless range extender option, then click next. Now after that you're gonna have to choose your wireless network, and then basically you're gonna have to enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted, and basically that's it. After that you're gonna have to select which networks you want to extend, and that's all you have to do in order to connect it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.